Hello, how you doing? This is John, the appliance tech. Right now, I have a Samsung refrigerator. It is missing the handles, but other than that, everything else is good. We're gonna look into the inside. Hold on a second here. All right, has everything as you can see with ice maker. Let's see what the temperature is. All right, it is below zero, which is what it should be. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, that thing didn't want to open up. All right. Doors. Okay, the cleaning lady did come in here. That's why that shelf is a little bit different. Not different, but not in place. I will fix that. But this is a nice working Samsung refrigerator. Again, the handles are not in place. They didn't come with handles, but other than that, everything is good to go.